Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how step by step fix the error crash and low level fatal error in Little Nightmares 3 on PC.
Step 1. Verify game files. Open Steam Epic Games Launcher, right-click Little Nightmares 3 Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity. Wait for the process to finish and restart the game. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, check for updates. AMD and Adrenalin Software, check for updates. Intel Driver and Support Assistant. Step 3. Disable overlays. Turn off Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, and GeForce Experience Overlay. Step 4. Reset game config files. Navigate to Documents, Me Games, Little Nightmares 3, AVD, Config, Windows Editor. Delete the config folder. Game will regenerate default settings. Step 5. Update DirectX and Visual CE. Redistributables. Download the latest DirectX end user runtime. Install update Visual C. Redistributables for 2015, 2022. Step 2022. Step 6. Run as administrator. Right-click the game executable. Run as administrator. Optionally set compatibility mode. Windows 10. Step 7. Adjust graphics settings. Launch the game. Settings. Disable ray tracing and DLSS for stability. Lower graphics settings if crashes persist. Step 8. Restart your PC. Apply changes and launch the game again.